Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sansare. If you're new here, this is Enamored Beauty, where I share my love for all things beauty. I want to welcome you in. Today's video is all about a couple of new items at Rare Beauty. Thank you to Rare Beauty for sending these products over so that I can share them with my audience. They sent it over via my affiliation with ShopMy, and I'm so glad to be a part of the ShopMy affiliate platform. If you want to know any more about ShopMy, ShopMy is an affiliate platform where I link the items that I use and I share them with you all. And when you all shop, I earn a small commission, and all those commissions that I earn are reinvested into the channel here. So, as I was saying, today's video is about Rare Beauty. And we're going to try on some products that they sent over. I've already got my face pretty much done. So these items are items that are going to be in addition to what's already on my face. Again, this is Rare Beauty. They sent over 3 items for me to try, all by my selection. And I chose 2 of their new Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blushes. The shades I chose were Grateful and Alive. So we're going to be getting into these. These do retail for $27 and they come in 7 shades. And the next item is their Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. I picked up the shade Tranquil. And I know that this is the shade that I most love because when they were launched, I did go in store and swatch them for you all. To get started, we're going to go ahead in with the Soft Pinch Liquid Contour in the shade Tranquil. Like I said, I already have a base down, so we're going to go ahead and use this. Now, the tone of this one, I think fitting for myself as a bronzer or a contour, so I'm going to use it as a bronzer. This is the shade here. And it has a really nice doe foot applicator. Let me show that to you. And if you take a closer look, you'll see that there's a well where the product is held right here. And so let's go ahead and get that applied to the face. Again, this is the Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. It's available in 7 shades and it retails for $28 US. And the shade that I'm using is Tranquil. Now, I'm just going to put a few dots. So I'm going to do 1, 2. I'm going to take it around my forehead as well. And let's put some along the jawline. Now, I know this a little goes a very long way, just based on my experience in the swatching of the product. So that's very exciting. Again, thank you to Rare Beauty for sending these over to me to try. To blend it out, I'm going to use my Sonia G Sheer Buffer Brush. This brush is perfect for cream and liquid products. It blends it out like a dream, okay? So let's go here. And I mean, the shade is just beautiful. It really is. It's deep. Like I said earlier, it is, for me, I think, a perfect contour bronze shade. So I think they call that bronzer, where you use one product for both of those tasks. So that's what I'm doing, just going around. I'm going to blend that back into the forehead. It's so pretty, you guys. I mean, I hope you can see that. It's so pretty. All right, just gonna take it around. And let me know down below in the comments if you yourself have tried this product just yet. And if you haven't, let me know if I've convinced you to do so, because it's really nice and light weight on the face. It's not heavy at all. Pigmentation is definitely there. And I'd say definitely go with a light hand if you're heavy-handed. Just taking it down the jawline as I would my bronzer. Blending it down. And you can see the difference already here versus over here where it's not blended yet. Let's go ahead and get that blended. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today has been a little odd because I woke up super early and I could not get myself back to sleep. But makeup always helps. So sharing these products with you guys is making my day go a lot better. Later on, I'll go pick up the kids, of course, and then do lunch with hubby and my son because he gets out early. So that'll be fun. All right. I think that looks so pretty, you guys. All right. Let's go in now and try out the blushes. So let's show you the blushes first. And we will decide while I open and swatch them whether or not to cocktail them together or to do them as single shades first, okay? So let me get them out of their boxes. Okay, so this shade is Grateful. Let me open it. How pretty is that? All right, let me swatch it for you. Wait, let's see. So that's Grateful. We'll do the swatches right after I open both of them. That's, I think, would be better. And then this shade is Alive. And again, these are called the Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blushes. They retail for $27 and they come in 7 shades. And this is the shade Alive. I have a type, as you can see. So let me put them next to one another. How pretty is that? Looking at them both side by side, I think that they can be cocktailed. So we'll start with this one and then we'll apply this one. All right. So I'm going to swatch them first. So this shade is Grateful. Oh, you guys, they are silky to touch. It feels so good. If you have a love of cream products, this is it's gonna be good for you because you're gonna love it. It feels so good on the skin. When you touch it, it's so silky and lightweight. So again, this is the shade Grateful. All right, now let's swatch Alive. This is again the shade Alive. Same nice texture. And we're going to put her right next to Grateful. All right, so we're going to start with, I think I'll start with Alive first. And I'm going to attempt to do a cocktail. So I'm going to start with Alive back here. And then I'll put Grateful in the front of the cheek. I like to wear my blush in the high points of my face. So that's where we're going to place this today. And I'm actually going to grab a different brush. So bear with me. This is a perfect time to bring this brush out. All right, so this is Sonia G's Mini Sheer Buffer, and it's going to be perfect for this cocktail. So let's go in with Alive first. Wait, no, I'm sorry. We're going to first go in with Grateful, and I'm just going to touch it a few times. There is the product on the brush. And we're going to go ahead and apply this here. Oh, that's pretty. It's amazing how different it appears on the skin versus in the pan. I'm going to get some more product. This time I'll swirl it. And I'm going to go right back here. There. All right. So like I was saying, I'm just blending this out. And I think that looks so pretty. So let's take it on the other side. Again, this is the shade Grateful. It's so pretty. Wow. These are so pretty on the skin, you guys. Yeah, that's good. All right, so this is the shade Alive. All right, now we're gonna go in with the shade Grateful. I'm sorry, that was the shade Grateful. So this is the shade Grateful. This is the shade Grateful. And now we're gonna cocktail it with the shade Alive. So I'm gonna go right into this blush. And we're going to put it in this right here on the cheeks, on the apples, and blend it in. So let's do that. And again, you guys let me know if you've tried these. That's all I'm going to need for both of the cheeks. So let me go ahead and close it up. A little bit goes a very long way. Wow. Stunning pop of color. My girlfriend Lori, shout out to Lori at It's Lori's Life. She loves a good blush cocktail. If you're not following her, please give her a follow. I will link her Instagram and YouTube channel below. These are good. I am in love with how this looks. So again, let's show you what we just tried. We tried the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch and Liquid Contour in Tranquil. Again, she retails for $28 and is available in 7 different shades. And we tried the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blush in 2 shades, one being Grateful and one being Alive, of which I am grateful to be alive. And so we used these beauties and we created this beautiful cocktail here. All right, let's zoom you in, give you a final look. And I'm in love with the look today. So if you're new here, again, I thank you for being here with me. My name, once again, is Sensoray, and this is Enamored Beauty. We talk about all things beauty on this channel, Fude brushes, and more. I'd love for you to join my community here, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I would love to have you back in the next one. So until then, All right, I thought I'd give you guys another look. I got off camera and then saw that I didn't blend this side so well. So let me show it to you one more time. I am really loving the look so far. I hope you guys have the most wonderful day.